Attention! All Blood Ravens of Strike Force Omega in the Argus District. The Ascendant fears investigation and pursuit by those who are less enlightened. He wishes to ensure that all traces of his passing on Calderis are eliminated. As such, Argus settlement is to be razed to the ground. Success will ensure his pursuer's trail shall grow cold and his great plans realized.
Calderis is the Blood Raven's recruiting spot. So why are we laying it to waste? Kyros's lot is up to something. General, if we're really on Kyros's trail, we want to stop them from destroying any evidence. We should capture that Imperial bastion, sir. With it, we can deploy some real ordnance to this war zone.
The object offends. I shall destroy it.
Object targeted, sir. Commander here. Ready and able. Right then.
We're reporting go on move order.
Sergeant Lysandros, be advised. Enemy forces have been detected inside the settlement.
Do not deviate from your mission. Our priority is to demolish every last structure in this miserable village.
The Emperor's servants. Their innocence rings false.
Understood. On the move. We'll be rid of it, sir.
They strike from over there! Go ahead! Let us show them Imperial might! Departing! Space Marine target eliminated! The Guardsmen strike out at us! You're under their lash here. Scout attack!
This plane is
Their Commissar Lord is in the fight! Brave but futile!
Yes.
Space Marine foe eliminated.
Target incoming. Target incoming.
The Guards fight close! Fire! I am here. I am under attack! Every enemy is a stepping stone! I hear you. Space Marine Scout, target obliterated. Seeing to it!
I shall destroy the object.
Our heavy weapons teams can be given las cannons to counter enemy armor. Melter bombs and melter guns are also quite handy.
Commander, I am on my way. I'm on the object.
Give us their fight in our future, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
This Razorback is out for blood.
Now in visual range. This glory is the Emperor's! Razorback! It's attacking! You know It's on over the proverbial Tactical Marine striking here!
Tactical Marines are here.
Under Space Marine attack!
Got that, Space Marine!
Space Marine target down. Attacking Razorback!
distinguished.
For the Emperor, renegade! Let's hear it. We have to keep fighting!
Rest when you're dead. Object targeted. Proceeding with attack. Right then. I shall see to it. Hostile Space Marines in sight. Tactical Space Marines! We are
Tactical Marines are here. I am a
No more best work.
Go ahead, sir.
Ready and able, sir.
Commissary's down, sir.
Be wary. Without me.
I am restored. Tactical Marines!
Tactical Marines are here.
Let's hear it. Yes, sir.
Weapons free! Burn them to the ground! Tactical Marines striking here!
Your attacks are misspent. The Emperor wishes it.
Space Marine target eliminated. Departing! The Guardsmen attack! Strike true!
Sergeant Lysandros, come in. We have come